expand. It was a long road. It was a long road. Naye, to put your strength, Katonda was involved. Definitely. Yeah.
Should we call this a new transition for the hip hop fraternity? Because I was with one of the hip hop guys and we were like, this has been a long overdue because everyone was here. Many of them want to put a show. Is it a transition?
It's definitely a turning point. When you're a leader of the industry or a uncle, a godfather, Jaja Navio, what your responsibility to break down the doors. So I think my whole point, I'm inspiring the next artist. I can't do it myself, but I'm inspiring the next artist. So they need to be doing this from the age of 21, not the age of 30. Like some of us when we started, we want people to believe in hip hop, because at the end of the day, what you love is what you love. So Webale new, yeah. Well, thank you guys for coming, please. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, Luwama is Luwama. You know how I get down. I represent it as best as I could. So it's a turning point, I think, strictly because people had forgotten that we can do it. We had 3 hip hop shows tonight. Lugogo, Sheraton, ne Kololo Airstrip. Success. Hip hop 3 or rap. Hip hop or
Hip hop.
hip hop or hip hop ne gospel rap. All of them successful in one night. So it shows you now, I think the media can start changing their view about what it means to be hip hop shows.
They turn up for that.
Bobi!
Okay, the artists who came through to support. Though even though Bobi did not perform.
Yeah.
Abimikala abazze okusupporting ekiro kya leero wadde nga Bobi yeta performing the gratitude
man webale nnyo to the artist. Solidarity. A lot of people, they look at UNMF organizations, the artists, they believe that we're always fighting. Nedda tulifenna, we're one unit. We showed it tonight. To all the people who came through, from Bobi Wine who came through ready to perform, due to issues beyond our control. It did happen. Naye, Bobi, Lillian Babazi, Todix, Mickey Wine,
Yangamulo,
Levixon,
Maro
Rose,
from Germany.
Maro flew from Germany, J Park all the way from Atlanta, Flex the Paper, Myth, Vampino. I mean, the list is endless. Shina Sky is now Viboyo, Vision Beyond Your Own, Viboyo. I mean, there's love, definitely. I want to thank my guys for supporting. Producer Ethan Olio. Hey. Okay. Ethan. Yeah, it's okay.
Chekiganye Bobi Wine performing. Buli omu abadde yesunze nga manyi Bobi Wine agenda kunywa ku stage. Chekiganye.
Man, nange. Actually, believe me, I'm the most confused. Naye awaddewo. You understand? For Bobi, someone like Bobi, he came to support Navio. He doesn't need to perform. His presence alone. My mother doesn't need to come on stage. Her presence alone, bumper energy, bumper love, bumper support. So yeah, I think we'll come to a time again in Uganda where we can be free and do what we need to do as performers, because no matter what we do now, we have other lives. We had other lives, and people just came really just to celebrate Navio. So I wish we were able to finish. Naye, I think 3 hours of music is enough also. 3 hours of music was enough. Naye, I miss my brother. I miss performing with my brother.
Tekikunyize muri okuwulira nti no talinye ku stage.
Yeah, man, like, bro, it hurts. Twina, the song is the most played song in Ugandan radio ever. The most played song. You understand? So yeah, it would have been nice to give my fans the song that, one of the songs that they voted for the most. Yeah, it happens. Listed the man, listed the Navco, Firebase, listed. Yes, and thank you to all the other artists who came. Thank you to the media, wherever they knew the coverage. It was strong. I felt it. I felt the love also from media. Like I said, to one unit, we need to move together. Where the artist benefits, the media benefits. Where media benefits, the people benefit. So we're together. Those are, she's seen this. She has a big show coming. A lot of drama. Those are studio, gym, she's getting set and ready. You understand? Shiba also, she's getting set and ready. A little battle out. So yeah, maybe this time also my battle, the man also won't run away from my battle this time. Yeah. Chikola sense, man. Haha, yo, Black Hawk UG. Big shout out to Black Hawk UG. Yeah, big supporters, number one supporters of Navio at 20 years of Navio, Black Hawk UG, and not forgetting Hennessy, a sponsor all the way from France, supporting us here. Wherever in New.
Navio, are you able to pull off this flair after 20 years? What has kept you running? Any advice to anyone to serve there who would like to emulate you?
I think the newcomers keep battling me. So people can no longer forget Navio. They're like, Munagi. Navio, they keep battling him every 2-3 years. So it's you people who won't let people forget about me. Now, I think consistency, focus, understanding that you cannot control everything. Now, what is in your control, take seriously. See music, see talent, in music business, So very steady, approach it like a businessman, and develop your talent. Same way you develop your company, same way you develop your education. Develop your talent and develop your business.
Navio, 20 years of Navio, a wedding. What next?
30. Kuli 30 years.
Tulabiyangwa otuse oyina stage otuse no performing n'abaana bo ku stage. Move eno si kyobadde oyagala okutulaga abalabi.
I think it wasn't proving any point. My children said they want to dance. They want to perform with that. So I said, okay. Already 20 years of Navio. So I said, to call it.
Navio, you had two sets of performance. First you did live. Yes, then later in Flabango switching to Benze to CD.
We decided, hip hop rooted relationship with the DJ. Hip hop DJ, old school, but over, for example, Will Smith named DJ Jazzy J. Rakim as well had his DJ. So hip hop rooted DJing. So okay, let's we have to do a DJ set, and let's also now let people know that women are also here. So instead of going for just any normal male DJ, we said let's show about what to say. The women have arrived in DJing, so DJ Zato came on, represented, went crazy, and yeah, it was a mad set.
Navio, Chameleon ne Bebe ko tetubalabyeko bo waganyo bayita.
No. They're definitely both welcome and invited. They had things to do, but they are, everyone has their things to do. Maybe they'll come for 30 years of nothing. I don't know, but yeah, I've always felt support. Chameleon sent a drop, showing a lot of support for us. So to stay there, we're happy. Yeah, man. No, thank you. No, thank you, my brother. I appreciate thoroughly. Bro. Yeah. We're pulling up on Mezzo in a second. I'm just doing some interviews. Hold back.
It's okay.
Mezzo, yeah.
Django.
Yeah, I'm doing interviews on the back. There's a Hennessy back there. Yeah, come through. Down at the bottom of the garden on the VIP side. I'm behind the tent. Hello, Tilly. Hey, hi. How are you? Yeah. I'm coming up in a second. I'm just doing interviews.